Hello everyone, welcome to Drawleaper channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to send location on WhatsApp. To share location on WhatsApp, first you need to turn on device location. So just tap here to enable it. Then open your Google Maps. Then tap on this profile icon. Then tap on location sharing. Then tap on share location. Here you can see two options of location sharing. You can share your location for 1 hour. Also you can share your location until you turn this off. So if I select for 1 hour, here you can see WhatsApp. If you don't see WhatsApp at the first, then you can find it from here. Then tap on WhatsApp. Then tap on share. Now from here select the person which you want to share your location. If I select this, then tap on this icon, then tap on this send icon, and it's done. And that is how you can send location on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.